When you are intending to grow in your sales career, there are three fundamental questions you need to ask yourself. You want to know what it is? Hi, I am Madhusudanan, co-founder of Sales Career Growth Accelerator, which is a step-by-step program to grow exponentially in your sales career for entry-level sales professionals. Today, we are going to discuss the three fundamental questions you need to ask if you want to grow in your career, sales career exponentially. And I request you to stay till the end and take a lot of notes in this video. And why you need to stay till the end? There's a surprise gift awaiting for you at the end of the session. So let us get into the details. So the three questions which every salesperson should ask, should carry out, I would say that to carry out if they are intending to grow exponentially in their sales career. The first question is, ask yourself, what are you good at? What are you good at? Yes, what are the possible answers for this? Let's see that. Are you good in one-on-one selling? Which means that are you good in consultative selling? Are you good in webinar selling? Which means that your result is good when you are selling to a group? Are you good in selling over phone? Your cold call is bringing exceptional results? Are you good in selling over email? Your email is a money magnet. Ask yourself these questions. And second questions you need to ask is to your peers, colleagues and customers. So ask them, what are you good at? Or this question can be framed like this: why you purchase from me? If it is your customer, a very close customer, then ask him or her, why you purchase from me? Why on earth you purchase from me? There are a lot of sales professionals are there in the market, and why you choose me to purchase product from, right? And you will get some interesting answers. And second question you need to ask to your colleagues are, what makes you happy working with me? What is the reason you seems to be happy working with me? What is the specific reason? And third question, that is, how I have helped you professionally. Ask it. You will get interesting reply. So now you will get a clarity about what are you good at, what is the market that is expecting from you, what is your most demanded skill, what is the most attracted skill in your sales profession. You get a clear idea about it. So now the third questions you need to ask yourself is, what is stopping you in establishing your authority in that area? So once you are clear about all the questions above, you need to ask yourself, why we are delaying in establishing the authority in that area. Probably you will get these answers. Fear of rejection. What if I fail? What if people reject me if I try to establish my authority in that area? Fear of failure. What if I fail? What if my strategies are not working when I started? What will happen to me? And fear of judgment. What will others think about me? If you started this journey, what will others think about me? What will others think about me? So these are all the things which you need to get a very clarity on, so that you will be super clear about which is the best route to choose in your career, so that you will have a super successful career growth. I hope this video is helpful for you. As I promised in the beginning, if you watch this till the end, then I have a very special gift for you. You can book a sales career growth strategy session with us for absolutely free by using the link which is given in the description. In the session, we will drill down deep into your challenges you're facing currently in your sales career. So that's all for now. Subscribe this channel for more such videos.